Hello friends, it's Clifford here, and I've got new music coming out very soon. Yeah. I've had the pleasure of doing this new song titled In My Life with my friend and my brother Adedoyin. Wow, it's been a long time coming. I think the last time we did a song together was about 11 years ago. That was in 2015, and it was The Fights Repressed. I don't know if anyone remembers that song. Yeah, we're really very excited about this new song coming out in a few weeks, and we can't wait to share it all with you. So please anticipate. But at the first instance, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow us everywhere on social media, on X, on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok, everywhere. It's Clifford Enobo and Adedoyin. Thank you all for the support, and we love you. Thank you. Anticipate In My Life by Clifford Enobo and Adedoyin Awoyemi. Cheers. Love you all.